Here we have the Delfast 4mm Pneumatic Post Stapler. Now in this how-to video, in the off chance you are to get a staple jam, this is a step-by-step guide on how to undo it. First of all, before we commence any work on this tool, we must remove the air supply by unplugging the hose and taking out the remainder of the fastenings in the magazine. Air hose disconnected. Push it down, fastenings out, and push it back up. Tools that you're going to need for this will be either a flathead screwdriver and some long nose pliers, and inside the case you will find your owner's manual along with 4 sets of Allen keys. I'm going to take out the correct Allen key, which is a 5mm, which is that one there. Your 3 tools needed to undo this staple jam. Using our 5mm Allen key, we are going to undo these 2 bolts on the front of the nose and also this 5mm bolt at the bottom of the magazine and bottom of the handle. Now that those 2 are out, the magazine is starting to separate from the front of the nose. Now if we undo this one at the bottom, the magazine will separate away from the nose and also the body of the gun, like so. Now that the magazine is separated away from the body, we shall see our staple jam underneath here, which we can pop out with the long nose pliers or a long nose flathead screwdriver. Now that we have removed the staple jam, we should now put the magazine back to the body of the tool by simply repeating the same method that we used to take it apart, but in reverse. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to undo a staple jam on your Delfast 4mm Pneumatic Post Stapler.